3, yes.
Hello, Pakistan. I'm back again. And today, one of the most important topic of the areas I'm covering in my Uncle Stocks show, YouTube, you should know what the word motivation is. Today I'm going to speak on motivation and definitely going to motivate our people, the beloved Pakistanis, from any age group. So listen to me now very carefully. When you talk about the problem, your motivation gets down. When you talk about the spirit, your spirit gets sour because you are enjumbled and you are caught by so many problems which become the part of your everyday planning and which become the part of everyday's life. So you grow problem like a monster on yourself. It could be in education, it could be in your job, it could be in the government, it could be in business, it could be in marriage, it could be in any relationship, it could be between friends, between brothers. Motivation is the motor to keep you going. It's like oxygen in your system. Motivation equals your spirit. Spirit equals the result. Because if you have a spirit, there is no power in the world except God, which can go against it, against your spirit, and let you have a different kind of result. That's the power of God. Man proposes and God disposes. Remember this. So now, the beginning, coming back to the beginning, I'm going to give you my phrase which you have to copy, quote, and keep saying this every single day when you wake up. There is no problem at all. It is the creation of your mind. When you don't have the money, you'll find the solution. When you don't have the health, you'll get healthy. When you don't have a place to live, you'll get a place. Don't have a transport, you'll get a transport. You haven't eaten, you will eat. Because your survival and your resources to let you survive are the blessings of the Master Allah, and that's God. Amen. So now, starting with the problem. You believe you are full of problems and you have no free time to understand, and you are worried all the time and you cannot think. Your spirit is down, you are depressed, your blood pressure is high, you're angry. You're talking to people rubbish because your mind is not supporting you at all and your spirit is almost dead. So I give you 3 phrases. You don't have to forget this and remember it by heart. The top motivational phrases ever said in this world, because I believe I'm a motivator and I compete to any speaker around the world who is talking all the time about motivation and giving heavy lectures and big lectures and talking about the references of great books. It's not that much, man, or anybody who's a viewer who's listening. It's very simple. I want to simplify your motivation and take it to the top of your spirit. Number 1, only 3 things I'm going to speak about. When you are hungry and you don't have any resources or anything to eat, you don't beg, because that kills your spirit. You fast. Number 2, when you don't have a transport to carry yourself around the city or around the country, you just walk and walk and walk, because you are equipped with the greatest gift of God, your legs, strong legs to walk on. Number 3, don't have a place to camp or to sleep. You think you will be on the road like a loafer? No, go to a beautiful garden or in a jungle in the land of God and sleep under the mountain, sleep under the sky, You know what sky is referred in different religions? The heaven. The heaven can only shower you the blessings. Don't forget that. So with that blessing, having good air on top of a mountain or in the middle of the mountain, lush green garden given by the God, free land to sleep in. So, with these 3 points, which I have explained, which is going to be the formula of your life from now on, do not forget it. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? Where is the problem? There is no problem. It's mental phobia. It's mental weakness. It's the weakness of your spirit. And it is the different advices what the society give to each other. Because most of the people are not wholeheartedly believer in strong spirit and motivation. I would say this is all about it. This is for the kids. You're going to go to school, do your 100%. You're going to get married, be a good partner. You are going to do a business, have faith in yourself, in God, of course. Have the blessing of the Masters, Allah. And keep going. Do not stop. The middle is no destination. You're designed to reach a destination. Whatever the hurdles are, you keep going, keep moving. I loved an ad of a whiskey, let's say. Don't worry about whiskey because it is haram. Okay, I agree. But I like one thing about that ad. For the people who get drunk and fall in the ditch because of their lowness and drinking that liquor which destroys them. But there was one sign on the bottle. It says, keep walking. You cannot pay the price of that suggestion, my friend. And I am grateful to that ad. Keep walking means I am saved. I'm not fallen. I'm going to finish it right here. And these motivational lectures will continue, and we will give you some more and more formulas you have to adapt and remember about it by heart. Inshallah, your life will be changed completely. Do not complain. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad. World Zindabad.